Hi, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions here with you again. And this is my colleague, Dionne Marriott.
Thank you.
And you're in Texas?
Yes.
Where in Texas?
I'm in Lubbock, Texas.
Lubbock. And what's the name of your company?
It's Captured Memories Photo Solutions.
Okay, great. There's lots of photo solutions names in the photo managers. What's the main problem that people come to you for you to solve for them?
It seems like this year especially, I've had a lot of printed photos that
Okay.
have come in. Of course, there's some CDs and memory cards in those boxes too, but it's a lot of the chaos of the printed photo collection and just years and years of printed photos that they want to make some sense out of.
Okay,
So.
great. And what's a project that you've done this year with a client that you found interesting or different?
Okay, well, this is one that I've been working with the client for about 8 years now.
Oh my, okay.
And so we did start with all those boxes of printed photos. And we made it through all of those, and we made various photo books for different family members for him, for his parents, and for himself. And now the project for this year is that he wants to take some of the pieces out of those other photo books from his childhood up until the present. So something like an 80-year span.
Okay.
To make a book of his entire life that shows the progression of his career, basically from being a farm boy to being a person that's involved with the local college and donated a sizable amount to the college, and so they've renamed the college after him.
Oh my.
So he's wants a book that chronicles his entire career and what his his guiding principles. So it's really a lot about imparting the wisdom that he's gleaned through the years, and we're pulling those themes together in this book from other books, and so it's been really interesting.
Okay, so over these 8 years, you've created several books for him,
Yes.
and now you're sort of gathering everything together that specifically that he wants to pass down
Yes.
and make sure that people know about him. That sounds really
So
great.
it's really interesting, yeah.
Yeah.
And he's really all about giving back to the community. And as we're talking through his photos, they're going along with these themes. And so I'm helping him tell those stories to go along with these, even though some of them have stories from the previous books.
Right.
Sometimes he'll elaborate on that more, or some more things have happened since then that go along with that, and so we add more photos to that category. And so it's probably one of the most complex projects I've done because it's so many years,
right,
and also so many pieces pulling together.
Yeah.
So, and like memorabilia and awards and things like that. So it's made it really interesting.
So you're not just doing photos, you're doing photos, documents, memorabilia, awards.
Like trophies.
Oh, yeah.
Taking pictures of trophies and plaques. And, he's giving a presentation at an event, and then we have the plaque that he received.
Okay.
And so we're putting all those pieces together to make sure that everything fits. And it's kind of a theme approach because it's different parts of his life, different universities that he's been a part of, but also these cornerstones of his knowledge that he wants to pass on.
Yeah.
So it's been very interesting to me because he's imparting this knowledge, but I'm curating it.
Yeah.
Oh,
neat.
So it's been a really neat project.
Oh, great.
So, yeah.
So it's not just your photos, but all of that other wisdom that you want to pass on to the next generation. Photo book is a way to go. So make sure you look and try and catch us again next time when I talk with another photo organizer.